Behind on laundry? If your laundry basket is piled high or it's taking you several business days to fold your laundry, all because you don't feel like it. Listen, I get it, okay? But today we're tackling that laundry with this 2-day laundry motivation video. I'm giving you tips and tricks to help you as well as doing it myself, okay? And we are going to get that laundry crisis under control. So grab your favorite cup of coffee and tea and let's get started. Because let's be honest, when you have a buttload of laundry, getting started is so hard. You have a pile of stuff and it is just so daunting. But I'm here to help. I have a whole video on motivational tips for when you're feeling stuck when it comes to your laundry. So check that out. The link is above as well as below. But in the meantime, I'm having my girls here to help me. Make laundry easier and faster by delegating. My girls are 7 and 2, and I put them to work, okay? My oldest knows how to sort, and here she is showing my little one where the clothes actually go. I'm getting help, the girls are bonding, and the little one is learning her colors. So win-win, right? Get your family involved. Also, to help with making laundry faster, I actually use a laundry sorter that I got from Amazon like way back. And that really helps speed up this sorting process. Not only that, it helps keeps the piles off the floor. Because if you're anything like me, seeing piles and piles of laundry can be it can be a bit much. So get yourself a laundry sorter. It's just so much easier when you can just pick up that basket, load it in the washer, and better yet, have someone help you load it like my little one here. So there we go. Another quick win in the books. I highly recommend a laundry sorter. And to help you out, I'm going to link one in the description below. For now, let's load that washer, then the dryer, and get those clothes nice and clean. Then the fun part begins, folding. I remember seeing a quote on Facebook where it was like laundry is 45 minutes, drying 60 minutes, but then the folding, y'all know how the folding is, 7 to 10 business days. But that is why we are here. We're getting it done in 2 days. So here I have my handy dandy folding table. And if you're an OG of this channel, you already know. You've seen this table before. I do it for crafts, decluttering, sorting, organizing. I use this thing for everything. So I have it out now to get the folding done. For this part of the video, we're going to vibe to some good music and we're going to fold some laundry. So let's get to it. I separate the laundry and assign a basket. So you have the girls, my hubby, and myself. Everyone has their own basket of clothes to put away, because if I'm doing all this folding, y'all can at least put it away, right? You know what time it is. Time to get that next load started. Wash, dry, repeat, okay? Wash, dry, repeat. So grab your little helper and let's keep that momentum going. So why 2 days for laundry? Because life happens, okay? Your mom, the kiddos need you, hubby may need you, everybody needs you. So take your time. We're doing it in 2 days. For me, I had groceries to do. So shout out to Kroger, because with this little one not having her shots because she's too young, I have my groceries delivered. I'm ending the day with 4 loads of laundry, wash, dry, folded, and put away. Hello. And of course, you got the random socks that they just, I don't know. It's like they disappear, dryer's eating them. I don't know what's happening, but look, we got it done. On to day 2, off the bat, we're washing and drying, keeping the cycle moving. And if you need to, go ahead and get a timer or put a timer on your phone to remind you to get up and change out the loads. But the goal is to keep that momentum from yesterday going with washing and drying. Just keep it going. Just keep it going. Because today we're finishing up that laundry. For me, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 loads to get done today. So let's get into it. Hold on, y'all. Quick little break. I have to feed the baby. And of course, y'all see that y'all niece had to spit up on me before I gave her back to her dad. But now, baby is fed. She's back with daddy. Let's get this laundry done. It actually took me about an hour and a half to get it done, even with the break to feed the baby. So, all good. So close to being done. We've kept that momentum. I have one more load to fold and I can finally see my bed and sofa. And voila. I hope this video helped you get through your laundry, and thank you so much for being with me. But before you go, support the channel by hitting that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I love you, and as always, stay blessed. Bye. Okay. What's wrong? Why are you crying? You need a hug? Shh. You need a hug? Okay.